How to follow someone on FastBull. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to follow someone on FastBull, first of all open a web browser and type in fastbull.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure you are logged into your FastBull account. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the upper right corner and click on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name of the person and search. Look for the user tab and click open the person you are looking for to follow, and it'll take you to their profile. From here, go to the follow button with a plus sign in it and click on it. You'll then be following the person. Once you do that, you'll then see their posts, ideas, or trading content in your feed. You can unfollow anytime from their profile section again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.